Use the 4-core wire, the 5-pin port to connect the door machine, and the 4-pin port to connect the indoor machine. The indoor and door machines are connected to the power supply. The indoor machine presses the monitoring button to view the indoor unit screen. Press the doorbell. The picture pops up. Now display the mobile phone Tuya function. Need to open the Tuya notification. Press the doorbell. The pop-up window of the mobile phone. The screen of the indoor machine is on. The mobile phone is answered, and the interior screen is automatically extinguished. If you enter the Tuya app from your mobile phone to view the monitoring screen, the indoor screen will not light up automatically. If you need to view the indoor machine screen, press the Monitor button.